with the gate?
Yeah, don't close. You'll have to cover.
A lot of stuff breaking around the house. Not working. And the girls are gone. I think they enjoy being home. Ah, there they are. You enjoy being home, Dwight?
Yep.
Me too.
Oh, caralho.
Sweetie! Girls! You want to walk together? Any water coming down the mountain? I hear nada. It's been raining, right? Girls! Well, I want to show you a dog walk this morning, but where are the dogs? They are so happy to be back, they're all over the place. Girls! Espera por nós. Por favor. Zoey? Akira! Akira? There you are. There you go. Zoey! Akira! Woo! Zoey! Zoey! Woo! Akira! Now! Hey, sweetie! Zoey! Zoey! I think she's off doing her own thing already. Hey, Zoey! Hey, Akira! That was very short-lived. Girls? Girls? Zoey! Zoey! Hey. Yeah, sorry, sweetie, the gate is broken. Akira! Hey! What are you doing, sweetie? So we're gonna start here, trying to fill this up with cement. This is, I think, the easier side. The other side, the tiles are a little bit more inside of the wall, so I need to see how to do that. The boys filled it up with foam, the expanding foam. So the tiles are sort of fixed, but I need to be careful while I'm putting in the cement here, that I'm not just pushing them off the foam again. So we're gonna try and do that very careful. We're gonna need a lot of cement. After this side, I want to do the front side, and after that, the last side left is here. Because the back doesn't need any cement or foam, because here, if any water seeps through the tiles, it can run off here. This we're gonna fix to the wall with sort of a fascia board thing. So cement, Dwight. Carinho de Mau. Sand. Araya. And yeah, and cemento. Cement.
Yeah.
If you take care of that, I'll find the tools. Let's get cracking. Tools, cement, sand. Way too much water. Let's empty that out. Put some in here so you can use it. What is the problem?
This.
Ah. This is our measuring cup. We need 4 sand, 1 cement. Why are you putting that in there? This is our measuring cup. We need 4 sand, 1 cement. Oh yeah, if you want to buy this kind of sprayer thingy for your hose, don't buy these at the Chinese. That lasted 1 week, maybe 2. I'm gonna show the people what we did, Akira. Huh? What is it, sweetie? You think we did a good job? Thank you. Do you think we did a good job? Huh? I think we did a good job. So it's all cemented in, all the sides that we needed to cement in. It looks mighty fine. Especially on this side, we filled it up in 2 times. So we left a small gap first, made a nice plateau, and when the cement was still a little bit like soft, so it could like stick good to each other, we put in a second layer. We did do that here also, Edward, yes? Yeah. But not on the other side.
No.
You found something, sweetie. I'll be with you in a minute. Let me finish the video. Yes, I'll be with you in a minute. Thank you, sweetie. Obrigado, amor. What was I saying? Oh, on the other side, we could fill it up in 1 time. And it's sticking, and we also needed to fix it to the metal roof here. So the water didn't seep through, but it runs off on the metal roof. Very happy with this. Yeah, so what is next for the mini rebuild? The outside we're not gonna do yet. But we still need to finish off. Wait, let me get in there. We still need to finish off here around the door. We're also going to use like the silicone, but as you can see, for instance, here, we still need to finish this off to make it look nice. And here on the top, I want to put in a little bit of cement before I put in the silicone. Also, you see here on the side, let me show you, that here, as far as we can get in there, we're gonna shove in a little bit more cement. Like to try and get to the wall or to the beam. Wow, there's really an echo here. I'm trying to make a video, sweetie. So that is actually cementing for the inside and the last stuff that needs to be done on the inside. And then we can do some painting. I think Renato is going to do the painting. Meanwhile, we also need to get some electricity in here. We need to be able to work with his computer. Oh, you're very light. See you all in the next video, guys. Bye. Bye. Thank you for watching another video of the Portugal project. If you want to follow the Portugal project more closely, you can also add it on Facebook. Or add me on my personal account on Facebook or Instagram. See you next time at the Portugal project.